Sneaking up on 4:45 on your Thursday morning, we've been watching this band of fairly thick high clouds push through the valley overnight, and it'll take another couple of hours till we can get on the back edge. What that means is cloud cover will linger probably right up until around sunrise, 6:30-ish, and as we head through the 7 o'clock hour, I think a lot of those clouds will shift off to the east, so some middle of the day sunshine, and then another push of a bit of cloud cover later this afternoon. And you can watch all of the rain stream from northern California into northern parts of Nevada up towards Salt Lake City and eventually on its way toward Colorado. We will not tap into this moisture, at least not over the next couple of days. As we roll into Saturday, though, and the core of the system swings through, that's when we'll have the wind and also the small chance of a stray shower. It's possible here in the valley. It's just not looking all that likely. In the meantime, the next couple of days, winds only gusting to about 20 miles per hour. That's the case today, tomorrow, and even Saturday morning before 9 o'clock on Saturday, the wind should be under 20 miles per hour. After that, different story. The winds will ramp up very, very quickly late Saturday morning into early Saturday afternoon. We could see 55-mile-per-hour gusts that could blow dust around, also send a little bit of debris, random things that tend to float around in the wind on the roads when it is blustery. So that's something we'll have to watch for, especially Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. Our temperatures are mild because of the clouds, which some say kind of act like a blanket. They prevent us from cooling off too much. We are about 10 degrees milder outside right now than we were 24 hours ago, and that is going to help us get a jump start on our warm-up. And I think as we see more sunshine after 8, 9, 10 o'clock this morning, we'll be moving into the mid-70s before lunchtime, mid-80s coming your way this afternoon. I do want to caution, though, the fact that, hey, our UV index is high. Sunburn can happen in as few as 15 minutes during the middle of the day and the early afternoon, and with sunshine expected during that time frame, just keep it in mind and be covered up if you are outside. Air quality today is good. Tree pollen remains very, very high. Temperatures will perhaps encourage you to try to get outside, looking at highs in the mid-80s around many parts of the valley. Summerlin, one of our usually cooler locations, you're also in the 80s today. So here's the wind on Saturday, that 4.01 K-ray Saturday morning, a little breezy. But anything you're doing outside Saturday morning, especially early, could be okay. Anything Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, not going to be great because of the wind. Breezes of 20 to 30 miles per hour on Sunday, and it looks like we'll warm back up to the mid-80s next week. Here's Dan with the